lots more. Is there a lot? We open it.
Yeah. There's some tail.
Go on then, show me. Is that your tail? Show me again. Okay. You ready to go to the park?
Yeah.
Is that where you want to go?
Yeah. I want to go to a ginormous park. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go then.
Yeah.
There's nothing in there at the moment, but if we get some bread. Bread?
We get to eat food.
No, we get to feed the birds. Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
Just in case, because there was lots there last time, wasn't there?
Yeah. Let's do one. Yeah.
So should we take one? And two, we need to put it in the bag.
Two for the bird.
Yep. Can you put it in?
They don't fit in.
You have to put it in one at a time.
Okay.
One at a time. Not two slices, one at a time. Really open it. You can crunch the bread up. And squeeze in. Can you do it or do you need my help? Yeah. I'll show you. So if you fold it, because we don't need to eat it, so we can just fold it and put it in there. Because we'll be tearing it apart for the birds. Okay? Although we got crumbs everywhere, we need to wipe them up before we go. Okay?
Yeah, what about mosquito ants?
Yeah, we'll grab that. Oh yeah? Go on then. You can go right.
Daddy, I like my hair now.
Good girl. Come on then. That's fine. Does it keep you safe? It does what? You're very fast. I can see the birds. I can see the birds. We can go down this way. Go that way. Look, we can see the birds. Look, big. Okay, Speedy. Break. Oh, it's very windy, isn't it? I'm talking, go on then. It's quite big. Slow down. Why are you supposed to go that fast? Okay, stop being a stand. Well, then carry on, it's okay. Okay, we need to stop. We need to stop because I think this is... Can we go around? Let's go around then. Come on, let's go around. We're going to go down the steps there. Can we get off the bed? Ooh, look at all the birds. The duck? You want some...
The bread.
What do you want?
I need the bread.
You want the
from
bread?
duck.
It's big, what are they doing? We're splashing. Okay. Open the bread, just take little pieces, not big ones. Because they're all coming though. Small pieces, rip it into little pieces. Bring it here. Yep. Okay, rip it into little pieces, really small pieces. Alright, you ready? Now throw it. Throw it, look. I think they want your bread. Go throw some more. Where you going? Quickly, run in, run in, run in, run through them. You got to feed the ducks. Mylo, the ducks want some. Slow down, there's water. Come, pray for the ducks. That's it, see. Keep throwing them. Is there a lot? Be careful. Come on, keep throwing it. You got lots left. You're okay. Mylo, you need to throw where the ducks are. You got some more? Oh look, they're going now. Look, they're really close to you. Look, he's floating, look. Look at that. Keep going then. We're nearly done. You're not going to feed him, he stood right in front of you. You're not going to feed him. Look, he's waiting. Mylo, he's waiting. Look, bread. Give him some bread. Can you hold some? Oh, you want some more? Look. What's he doing? I think he wants some bread, doesn't he? You want some more? Okay, don't take it out, just take half of it. Yeah, just pull it out, it's okay. See there, hold your hand out. Watch. Watch this, watch. Let's see if we can do it, look, watch. Can you be brave? Hold your hand out. Hold your hand out and you'll take it. Hold it. Do you want Daddy to do it again? Do you want Daddy to do it again? Look, watch. You ready? This is what you do, look. Watch. Yeah, watch. You ready? Watch. You hold it out like that. So you even takes it. We're on the last bit now, okay? So make sure it's a good throw. Make sure it's the one that you want to give it to. Look, he's running, look, he's running with it. Okay, so we're going to scooter onto the park now. All done. Was that fun? We got to go that way. We got to go that way. We got to ride through them. Go on then. You're gonna be brave.
Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to my channel. And I want to say the big thumbs up. Put the big thumbs up. And how many birds can you see?